Webmail is a tool that allows you to send and read emails directly from any computer or mobile device connected to the internet. Webmail is ideal when you need to check emails while traveling or using another device that you do not have your email account set up on. Horde is a popular webmail application that is available to access your emails. To begin with, open your web browser and go to the URL of your domain, e.g. webmail.demoaccount.co.uk. Log in with your email address and password. You will now be faced with two options to access your email. Select Horde. Now you can view your emails in Horde. To create an email signature, go to Preferences, Mail, and click on Personal Information. To access your home page, click on Webmail Home. Here you can manage your inbox by creating autoresponders, email filters, and forwarders. In your Horde webmail, you have access to a fully functional calendar application that allows you to create and manage events and tasks. To access this, click on the calendar on the top toolbar, which will bring up your calendar. By clicking on the plus button on the left-hand menu, you can give your calendar a name. You can add in events and reminders by clicking on the New Event button in the menu. A window opens so you can add in the event details. Once the information is filled in, click on the Save Event button. Now the event will show in your calendar. You can edit your event at any time by clicking on it in the calendar, and you can add in as many events as you need.